As heavy rains persist in Vietnam's Thanh Hoa province, residents remain in homes flooded by Typhoon Kajiki, with gardens still underwater. The typhoon damaged houses, roads, and farmland, causing devastation and enormous losses. Last week, the Vietnamese government issued a full alert to relief and rescue agencies and advised residents to stay indoors as Typhoon Kajiki dumped massive rains on the country's north-central coast. Kajiki, this year's most powerful storm, was on the coast of Nang Haen and Ha Tinh provinces. Torrential rains mixed with gusty winds of up to 166 kilometers (10 miles per hour) downed trees, knocked out power and flooded homes across Ha Tinh province. Local English news site Vietnam Plus reported last week. Massive winds blew out roofs, and torrents of water washed away floating fishing farms throughout the province. Authorities already closed several airports and schools and begun mass evacuations as they prepared for the fifth storm to hit the East Sea this year. Deputy Prime Minister Tran Hong Ha urged local authorities and relevant agencies to remain vigilant and directed police to keep residents indoors until Monday evening. He warned that heavy rain during and after the storm could cause flooding, flash floods, and landslides in low-lying and vulnerable areas.